Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. In this video, you will see the conversation between doctor and patient. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started.
Excuse me.
Yes, please. Have a seat.
Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Ranika Chaturvedi.
How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
What is the trouble?
I have a cough.
Let me examine you. Take a deep breath. Relax. There is nothing to worry about. It's a viral infection. I am prescribing you medicines. Complete this course and you will be fine.
Thank you. I will follow your instructions. How much shall I pay?
200 rupees.
So friends, hope you learned how to describe your illness. See you soon in my next video. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Stay tuned.